What's good, everyone? Today we're going to take a look at the New Balance ML860XB. This sneaker released a couple of weeks ago already, but I just picked this up. This is not really a review, this is more a latest pickup video. So we're going to jump into the details right away, so let's go. Like I said, this released a couple of weeks ago already, and the same model already released like 2 or 3 years ago, even before the 2002R and the 1906R. So these two sneakers basically lend this mid and outsole from the 860 V2. And I think back then this shoe was not so successful for New Balance. Maybe they have been a little bit ahead of the time or ahead of the taste of their sneaker fans. But Essex and Nike has been doing that kind of 2000 vibe a lot earlier than them, and pretty successfully so. So they probably thought back then, well, let's try the same thing for us, for our brand. Didn't succeed, but now they succeeded a little more, I think, especially with the 1906R, which looks pretty similar to this one, or at least has the same vibe. They re-released it, and I think this is selling a little bit better than back then, and I like these a lot. I would have preferred to pick up the white, black, and red version. This is the white, black, and blue. I think the white, black, red is the XA or the XC, not sure about that, but that colorway is not available in my size anymore. So it's these that have to do the job for this model in my rotation. But I'm not mad, I like the colorway. It goes with basically everything, but red would have been a little bit nicer. Anyway, this is your typical 2000 runner actually. This is a very old pull mesh, as you can see, and you have the typical silver synthetic leather on the shoe, some blue applications here and a little bit of black, like on the inner liner here. We have some orange New Balance branding and some red New Balance branding at the heel. The midsole is white and a little bit of a gray hit on the inside, and we have black, white, and blue outsole here. You already know that midsole and outsole from 2002R, 1906R, so nothing new, even though this came first. And it comes with one set of laces, and there's not much more really to add except for the sizing. I think these run a little bit smaller. I'm a 12.5 in made in USA New Balances, and this is a size 13. And even this is not the biggest size 13. I think they run similar to the 1906R. So if you're familiar with that model, with that sizing, go with that sizing and you should be fine. I think there's not so much difference in the sizing to grab even a bigger size than these. I think if you go with your made in England sizing or Asics or Nike, you should be good with these. Just if you happen to wear only made in USA New Balances, you might want to size up. I think you should size up, otherwise these would be snug. They're also not very wide. They're narrow, especially here in the toe area, and they're very flat. So if you have big feet or big toes, these might not be the shoe for you. They fit me perfectly fine. I have narrow feet. And can't wait to throw them into the sneaker rotation. Of course, it's not the perfect shoe for fall, winter time because of the open pole mesh. It is very breathable. It might get a little bit cold, but I don't care. I'm just gonna throw on some thick socks and I'm gonna be good. So that's basically it for today with the New Balance ML860XB. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope I'm gonna see you in the next one. So thank you very much for watching. Until next time, bye-bye.
Know that the ride or die. I keep boys by my seat, boy. Know that the ride or die. I keep boys by my team, boy. We hustle, what's the night? Boys by my team, boy. Know that the ride or die. My name came up a lot of sounds, more when I was not around.